Okay, so answers to independent practice 1 are as follows. Question A, angle X is 41 degrees because the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Question B, angle Y is 97 degrees because again the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Angle Z on question C there equals 55 degrees because 35 degrees plus 90 degrees equals 180 degrees. On question D there, angle W is 121 degrees because 31 degrees, 28 degrees and 121 degrees equals 180. On to question 2 then, angle Q is 68.4 degrees. Angle R on question B is 36.3 degrees. Angle S on question C is 139 degrees. And angle T on question D is 60.7 degrees. On to independent practice 2 then. The first question is what is the sum of the three angles, and it is of course 180 degrees. Why? Because those adjacent angles on a straight line sum to 180 degrees. Measuring those angles for question B then, angle A is 40 degrees, angle B is 80 degrees and angle C is 60 degrees. Question C, what is the total of all these angles A, B and C? It is of course 180 degrees. To complete the sentence on D, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Over on to question 4. Part A, two angles in a triangle are 42 and 57. The third angle is of course 81 degrees. For B, two angles in a triangle are 12. Therefore, totaling 24, the missing angle to equal 180 altogether is 156 degrees. Question C, one of the angles in the triangle is 38. Another angle is twice the size of the first. Therefore, we have 38 doubled. And the third angle would be, of course, 66 degrees to total 180. On to independent practice 3. Ron says P equals 144 degrees because angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. Is he correct? Well, no, he is not. He has forgotten to include that right angle, hasn't he? So it should be P equals 53 degrees because 37, 90 and 53 all add together to give me 180. On to question 6 then, you have to sort the triangles into the table. We have a table here with 0 acute angles, 1 acute angle, 2 acute angles and 3 acute angles. Now remember, an acute angle is anything measuring between 1 degree and 89 degrees. So you should have sorted these as follows. A, C and E all have 2 acute angles and B and D have 3 acute angles that are all less than 90 degrees. The next part asks, are any of the columns empty and why? Well, yes, 2 of these columns are empty. They are empty because the sum of the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 2 of those angles must be acute.